Most of the visit visa Home Office refused unreasonably, unlawfully, and without any reasonable grounds. Even some applicant have visited UK couple of times, 4 or 5 times, and they return back to their home country before their visa expire without breaching an immigration law. But still, when they applied for visit visa, Home Office refused it. So today I'm going to explain and share my experience how successfully you can challenge the Home Office, the refusal of visit visa, and you can come to the UK, or if you want to sponsor your parents or any family member, how you can challenge the Home Office and make a successful outcome. I'll share my experience. Recently, I have applied for one of my family member for visit visa, and Home Office refused. And then what I did, I challenged it. Before that, I issued first I issued a pre-action protocol letter, and my first pre-action protocol letter after the refusal, the Home Office wrote me a letter that they will reconsider the decision, and I shouldn't go through the judicial review until the reconsideration. So I accepted their offer, and they reconsidered the decision. Unfortunately, they refused again. So second time in the reconsideration, again they refused the visit visa application. And then what I did, I applied to the Upper Tribunal High Court for judicial review to challenge the Home Office refusal. After submission of my application for permission to judicial review, the government legal department sent me an email that they will reconsider again if I agreed to withdraw the judicial review from the court. I said, well, when the GLD decided to withdraw the judicial review, that more likely you have a chance to a good outcome. So I accepted that offer, and this is the third time I gave an opportunity to the Home Secretary to make a decision. After then, I signed the consent order. The Home Office submitted to the Upper Tribunal, and then the court approved the consent order. Within 3 months of the decision of the court or sealed order, the Home Office is supposed to give me a decision. Very close to end of the 3 months, I contacted the government legal department and the Home Office as well. That is very close to 3 months, and more likely the Home Secretary will be in breach of consent order. So can you please urgently give us a decision? And the court order, the sealed court order, was 13 October, more like 13 October. So from 13 October, within 3 months, they need to give me a decision. Surprisingly, I received an email from the Home Office. It's this month. I'll share you the email on the screen. So this is the email where the Home Office is saying that, dear sir, further to your email dated 9th February 2024, alleging that your client had not yet received the reconsideration of their application, the decision-making team have been contacted and confirmed a reconsideration was made 10th October, 2023, and this was sent to previous solicitor. Now, the thing is, what I want to say in this respect, this is not actually to be the case, because the sealed order was 13 October. So how can the Home Office make a decision on 10th October? And more surprisingly, the Home Office gave me a decision that the Home Office refused the application again, third time. Actually not, but anyway, they sent me an email, and they sent me also a refusal letter in the email. So look at this email. Your application for visit visa to the United Kingdom has been refused. So I was and this email come, I think, as more likely 14th or 16th of this month. I was very disappointed because this is my family number. I'll not let it go without seeing the end. So I have contacted again, explained the situation that this is completely a decision on an email which is no connection with the consent order, because consent order was made 13th October. How you can give me a consent decision on 10th October, where the consular has stated you will make a decision within 3 months from the date of the consent order. So if you make a decision before that, that is not applicable in the consent order. So I contacted with them again within the same day. And then the Home Office come back with, the Home Office legal department come back with another email. And I want to show you the email saying the purpose of this email I want to show is okay. So this is the email. Yes. So this is the email where the Home Office is. They are saying now. Good afternoon. So this is the date you see on that of 16 February 2024. This is the last week. Good afternoon. Thank you for your email and for highlighting this. A case is currently with a decision maker and decision will be received as soon as possible. So within a week, you see how the Home Office department has changed. There is no, combination of the Home Office department. The same week, 2 days before, the Home Office gave us the decision of refusal, and next 2 days, in the first email you have seen, they said they have already made a decision and they already give me a refusal letter. Okay, and 10th October. And 2 days later, they are sending me another email, the Home Office legal grant. They're saying, well, we are still making a decision. We'll reconsider a decision. We'll give you a decision very shortly. Same day, after a couple of, I think around 1 or 2 hours later, they send me another email. So let me show you that email. And that email. Okay, so this is the email. Let me make sure I. Okay, so that email. That email, what they're saying now in this email, the Home Office is stating that okay, that is clear. That dear, okay, so after reconsidering your initial refusal decision, I can confirm we have now issued 6-month visit visa. And we apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused. You should hear from the visa application center in due course in regard to collecting your visa. However, I recommend that you please provide with them your passport at your earliest convenience. And once your visa arrives, they will fix this to your passport for you. So, within 2 days, one department, Home Office, one email said they refused and they give us a decision. The other department, because Home Office had a couple of Liverpool visa application decision making post appeal or judicial, the one of the department by the next decision, GLD. So a couple of Home Office have offices. So I received email from the Home Office General that they have already refused the visa after reconsideration. And then the Home Office legal department sent me an email, well, the same after 2 days, that, well, we are still considering your decision and you'll receive an email shortly. And then Liverpool, from the Home Office, we have received email that your visa has been granted. So this is what the lack of combination among the Home Office department and Home Office offices, because the Home Office have office in London, in Liverpool, and Sheffield. They don't know what's going on who is filed, and just but surprisingly, that was the current situation is. But the purpose of the video not to show the lack of combination among the department, but I want to explain it that if your visa is refused, you need to if you find this is unreasonable, you need to properly challenge the Home Office. But I know a lot of parents want to come to see their family member, their children, their grandchildren, how they're living in the UK, and when they applied, the Home Office refused it unreasonably and unlawfully. So what you want to do if the Home Office refuses your visa application? What you need to do is firstly go speak to a lawyer. Then what you can do, you can issue a pre-action protocol letter. Now, pre-action protocol letter, if you just write a pre-action protocol letter, it will not help. What you need to do in the pre-action protocol letter, you need to give grounds of refusal, and there are 5 grounds of the ground where you can irrationality, unreasonableness, unlawful. So these are the grounds where you need to identify issue and how the Home Office, what the mistakes they have done. Why is unreasonable? You can also add some case law, the immigration rules, that what the Home Office should have considered. Sometimes what they do in the refusal letter, you'll see they just copy paste from. You'll see if you apply from Pakistan, they will put you are a national of Gambia or Ghana, so Nigeria. So this is how they mix up all the information. Basically, what they do, the Home Office caseworker, they don't actually read the document. They don't actually read the cover letter. So if you can draft a pre-action protocol letter properly, you have a good chance to get a good outcome. In case if again the same decision comes, you can go to the judicial review to challenge it. And what will happen once you challenge it, if the court, if your case had merit, then the more likely GLD, the government legal department, will withdraw your cases and will offer you a visa. And then you can go through a consent order. And again, after the consent order, still you need to chase them up, because the way the Home Office work, basically you need to be very sincere and serious about this. You need to chase up the Home Office. You need to tell them, look, you need to make it, otherwise the Home Secretary will be in breach of court order. So all the steps you need to take appropriately with appropriate law, and you need to follow the correct procedure. Of course, you should consult a lawyer because some of the area, although you can do it, some of the area where the lawyer needs to be covered up, and then your judicial review or your pre-action protocol letter will be more effective. So thank you very much. If you need any assistance, please feel to contact me. My name is Sohail Ahmed. I'm a principal solicitor. I'm the principal solicitor of SW Solicitor. We have office in London, Milton Keynes, but we provide services around the whole UK and outside the UK if you need any assistance. Our contact details is appear bottom of the screen, and thank you very much to watch this video for today.